What's good, YouTube? Your bro Javon, back with another fucking video, you heard? Back with another Yo, bro. Yo, it's a good video, bro. I'm trying to tell you something. This is a special video, bro. Because something just came in about. Y'all niggas already know what it is, bro. Bro, you see that shit over there? That? This shit's out of here. This shit's out of here. This? I might just throw this bitch across the room, bro. Where my mother? This right here? Tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit. Oh, bro, I'm tired of this shit, bro. This? It's time for it to go. It's time. I'm telling you, it's time for it to go. It's time. No, it's time. It's time. I've been waiting for this. Spinning around. I need 2 inches, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh. You shit me? I ain't gonna lie, this shit is heavy as hell. Hold on, y'all. Let me shit me? You shit me? You shit me? You shit me, bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One time. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look, I just could. Oh shit. Look, the ass just go right. Hold on. Hold on, coach. Hold on. Get right. Get fucking right. Hold on. Oh shit. Oh shit. You shitting me, nigga? The fucking yo, this is like the PlayStation 3 shit. What is it 3? Nah, it's 2, bro. You shitting me? Stop playing with me. Connect the controller. I already connected it. Matter of fact, yo, I'ma holla at y'all, bro. I'm out of here, bro. I'm playing with my P5, bro. Y'all already see the shit. Y'all see the setup for me. We about to get right, nigga. YouTube videos coming all 2021, nigga. You shit me, nigga.